The strangest things that have fallen from the sky. 1. In 1894, it rained jellyfish in Bath, England. Hundreds of them, alive. They covered streets and gardens across an entire neighborhood. Scientists believe a waterspout lifted them from the Bristol Channel and dropped them miles inland. Witnesses watched translucent creatures drifting down from a clear sky. 2. In 2018, a massive block of ice crashed into a village in India. It weighed more than 20 pounds and struck the ground with enough force to leave a deep crater. Scientists later determined it was likely mega cryometeor ice. 3. In 1876, chunks of meat fell from the sky over Kentucky. Fresh pieces of mutton, venison, and horse meat covered an area nearly 100 yards long. It remains one of the strangest weather-related mysteries ever recorded.